Hey guys, and it's time for some unbreaking news. The Samsung Galaxy S10 leaks continue to wow us and make us wait for it even more. We know a lot of stuff regarding the Galaxy S10 family so far. The S10 Plus, the bigger version, is going to have 5 cameras, 3 on the back and 2 up front. With industry sensor includes a biometric sensor, which includes an image sensor that can output light or infrared light emitted by a source, that is the display, to a user's fingerprint and detect the light reflected by the user's fingerprint. It's further mentioned that this type of sensor can be moved to the side of the phone, meaning the Galaxy S10 Lite, the base model, will probably going to have a fingerprint scanner on the side, whereas the Galaxy S10 or S10 Plus will have it inside the display for the first time on it, and that Galaxy S10 screen to body ratio will be greatly improved. No mention on how much it will be reduced, but I'm calling it in terms of the internal power. The heart that runs the Divine Galaxy will be the Exynos 9820, and this will also going to be inside all of the Galaxy S10 models. It is expected to be clocked at 3.3 GHz with Meli G76 GPU with 18 cores, and this might be the last on the sales of the Note 9. How will the Note 9 perform this year will decide whether they're going to do the unification or not. This time the S Pen is getting improvements we are having there, and it's actually looking much stronger than the newly announced Gorilla Glass 6, which was tested about 15 times for 1 meter height onto a rough surface, which is double the amount of drops for the last year's Gorilla Glass 5. Leave me your thoughts about this in the comments below. Also, Samsung Galaxy S10 could be a VR powerhouse. Apparently, Samsung has been working on a powerful GPU of its own for its next generation mobile devices, and the source that broke the news said it's a real big deal. The new architecture in this design is so impressive that it could be used across platforms, from small display going on the back and also with third-party applications. I can't imagine how Instagram will work with this. The front camera is important and you need a large display. You don't just take selfies these days. With apps like Instagram and Snapchat and Facebook, we have so many controls. You can turn yourself into a dog or a monkey. There's so much controls and tricks which all needs a large display to work with. So again, it's a nice patent. Samsung is a great innovative company thinking about all these ways, but I don't think it's going to happen anytime soon. But still, in comparison to Samsung's unbreakable panel, it seems that Gorilla Glass 6 may not be at the same level. However, it's still massively improved over the previous version. Samsung phones have been using Gorilla Glass displays for years. Along with it, Samsung has a new wireless charger Duo. It's coming, it is leaked, and it will allow 2 phones to be fast charged simultaneously, or you can charge your Galaxy Watch, which is going to be the new watch that Samsung will be announcing pretty soon, along with your phone at the same time. So yeah guys, that's all on the Galaxy phone. This is truly my dream camera setup on a Samsung phone. I really want to see that. And thankfully now KGI, the famous Apple analyst, he has a great track record and he has turned his attention to Samsung and revealed some accurate information. He has further confirmed will be on the side. Samsung is doing this because they want the base model of the Galaxy S10 to look similar to the bigger models, because at Samsung, it actually uses sound waves to generate a map of your fingerprint. It can scan the finger even if it's wet, which is something that the finger scan on the Vivo phone cannot do. And it has a lag time of just 250 milliseconds and has a 1% rejection rate, and it's about 0.15 millimeter in size, meaning it won't be making. And then the biggest model will have a 6.4 inch display. Mexico expects the large 2 S10 models to include an in-display fingerprint scanner, and the small model will have the fingerprint scanner on the side. Yes guys, on the side, for the first time on a Samsung phone, we will see a fingerprint scanner on the side, a thin fingerprint reader, but that didn't happen, and that rumor has returned for the second time that Samsung might be merging the Note and S lineup, which means that the Galaxy Note 9, so according to UL, the unbreakable display deployed by Samsung Display has passed the rigorous real-time durability test that is based on the military standards set by the US Department of Defense after a drop test administered at 1.2 meters, which is nearly 4 feet above the ground 26 times in succession, and accompanying high phones to supercomputers and even in plane cockpits. If Samsung decided to use this GPU with Galaxy S10 and combined with its rumored 4K infinity bezel-less display, it could become a VR gaming powerhouse. So yeah guys, that's all we have on the Samsung Galaxy S10. If you guys enjoyed this video, please leave a like and why not subscribe to the channel for future content, and I will see you in the next one. Peace out.